Hi and welcome. Right, I've now that the Easter holidays is over, I'm starting on my bedroom, and what I'm doing in here is I'm just totally colour washing everything, so the walls, ceiling, everything's going to be the same colour. I don't know if it's going to work out. I don't know whether the colour is going to be too dark. If it is, then I'll just repaint the ceiling very carefully. So let's get on with this and let's see what it looks like at the end of the day. All the ceilings have been replastered in this house, so the first coat that I'm going to be putting on the ceiling is going to have to be a watered down one, and then it'll have a second coat afterwards. I've got a lot of filling in to do, but I just want to get the ceiling done, get that out of the way, then I'll move obviously downwards. So let's get going. Even with that small extension handle, I'm still struggling to reach. My daughter bought it when she was doing her bedroom next door. I don't think she realised you can get some that are really tall, but I'll manage. I'm not buying a new one. Well, I've done half of it. Gonna get on with doing this half. I can't believe how warm this house is compared to my old one. I am sweating. I've only done a bit. I'm sweating. I've had to open the windows. Yeah, the loft, the lagging up there is, crazy. Right, I'm going to carry on doing a little bit more. Get the ceiling done anyway today. I've got this ceiling done. I'm doing that wall, and that wall. 3 walls all pink. And I'm doing behind the bed in a paper. I'm going to show you, I hope it'll work. I'm going to show you the colour match, the wallpaper and the paint. So I'll just pop a bit of paint on here and then you can tell me this is just to give you an idea of the colour scheme that I'm going for. I've got that, and then I'm going to put this wallpaper with it. I could have gone green, picked the green out, but I decided to pick out the pink and give it a warmer feel. So what do you think, guys? Do you think that's okay? I do. I think it's going to look lovely. Hopefully. Anyway, see you soon when I get it a bit more done. That. And this is the paint I'm using. I've gone for Wix Wall and ceiling smooth finish. Dusty Rose from Wix. 20, no, it wasn't, £13 for 2.5 litres. So I've got 2 and I've got ample. And this wallpaper was from B&Q, £22 a roll. So that's, I thought was pretty good considering some of the other paints that I bought have been absolutely ridiculous. That green in the hallway I got from Johnson's, and I won't be buying that anymore because it cost, the green cost £58 for a 5 litre tin, and the white that I used all around the bottom and everywhere, £77 for a 5 litre from Johnson's. And that was with you know, those little rollers, those little handy ones that you get in all nooks and crannies. A tray and 2 of those, and a 5 litre tin of matte white from Johnson's, £77. So no, £13 from Wix for this pink. Bargain, absolutely. And I think I'm going to like it because the sun is out there all most of the day, and I only sleep in my bedroom. So I think I'm going to like this. Let's wait till the end. So I'm going to have a shower now. I've got to wait for this to dry. Maybe do another coat, see how it goes. And then I work down onto the walls. Oh, I'm going to have to get some people in. I'm going to turn you around. If you can see up there, I've got bolts from a hoist that was in the room. So I've got some there, and I've got some at that side as well, right up in the corner there. So I'm going to have to get somebody in to try and get those out. So I haven't got a clue. I don't have anything to get them out, and they don't unscrew. So I've got that. I've got a few holes here and there to fill. That can come out because that was the electric for the floor lift, so that's not needed. So I've got an electrician coming in to put me a plug socket behind these drawers, and he can take that plug out up there as well. Yeah, excuse all the to-ing and fro-ing with the camera. I'm not very good with cameras, filming and stuff like that. Anyway, I'll see you when we've got this room done.